said, "Winter is very cold season. I like this season very much. The hilly areas are covered with a thick layer of white snow and look very beautiful. People go on picnics on this time. The season usually starts in the month of November and ends in February. During winter days are short and nights are long. Many animals and birds choose migration during winter to find an appropriate place to live. In winter season, people wear warm clothes and like to eat hot. Winter is the season of healthy fruits and green leafy vegetables. Major festivals like Diwali, Christmas, Makar Sankranti and Republic Day falls in this season.